The US-China relationship is at its lowest level since the two countries established a diplomatic relationship with each other. We are on the verge of a very substantial trade war with each other. One way to think about trade war is an escalation of imposing tariffs on goods. A trade war is going to affect America and Americans in some very tangible ways. The most immediate effect is when we go shopping. We're going to see a rise of prices in day-to-day products, right? If you buy a shirt, if you buy a pair of shoes, socks, a lot of those things are produced in China. Chinese money is also coming in through the investments Chinese companies make in the United States. If those companies leave or they don't increase their investments, there's multiple channels through which a trade war would affect negatively the interests of US consumers, US companies, and the financial system of the United States. There's no reason why both countries cannot coexist with each other peacefully and profitably. I believe that the two countries have a lot of overlapping economic interests. The problem is that there are differences in terms of how they structure the relationship. I would use this crisis in the relationship between China and the United States as an opportunity to launch further reforms. So I think the burden of adjustment is on the US because US has escalated the demand from China to such a high level. I believe that those structural factors can be worked out with better and more enlightened leadership from both sides. If the US doesn't make that move, then the two countries are going to end up in a very bad trade war.